This video tutorial will show you how to set up your MLA Works Cited Page in Microsoft Word and how to create citations. It continues from the tutorial on setting up your document. Much of the information in this tutorial can be found in handouts available on our research guide page. The MLA First and Last Page example handout gives you an immediate visual idea of what the layout of the paper should look like. The MLA Format handout has a short section that describes setting up the Works Cited page. Let's now go to the document we already created and begin the Works Cited page. I will show 3 citation examples: a source from a library database, a print book, and a web page. To place the citations on their own page, go to the Insert tab and insert a page break. Then type Works Cited at the top, centered. Now, let's say you're doing your research. Open an internet browser such as Chrome and go to the Library Resources page. Let's say you use EBSCOhost to find articles. All library databases have built-in citation tools. In EBSCOhost databases, the citation tool is usually on the right side of an article. Citation examples are listed alphabetically. Scroll down to the M's to find the MLA example. If you go to the ebook collection, you'll find citation examples in the same place. Also in Gale databases, such as Literature Resource Center. When you find the citation for MLA 8th edition, copy it. Then go to your Word document and paste the citation. If you get unwanted formatting, undo, then select the Paste Text Only button. You will lose the necessary italics, so remember to go back and add them. They're applied to the name of the source, which is the publication, and the container, which is the database name. I'll add more examples then show how to create a hanging indent for the citations and how to alphabetize them. Print books don't come with a citation function, so for this type of resource you'll need to create the citation manually with the help of our handout, MLA Print Citation Examples. The information needed for a book citation is usually found on the title page inside the book, and on the reverse side of the title page. For a book with a single author, the elements to include are the author's last name, comma, first name, period. Title of the book in italics. MLA calls this the source. A period is placed after the title. Then enter the publisher's name, comma, then the year of publication, period. One more book example, citing an essay in a collection. In the handout, go down to section I of Books to see an example. Start with the author's last name, comma, first name, and period. Next is the title of the essay, or the source, in quotation marks, with a period inside the quotation marks. Then, the title of the container. In this case, it's the title of the collection. This is in italics, end with a period. Now the editor or editors' names in regular order, followed by a comma. Then the publisher's name, comma, year of publication, comma, and the pages on which the essay appears, noted with 2 P's and a period, the page numbers with a hyphen between, and ending with a period. Last example, how to cite a web page found in an internet search. For this, refer to our handout, MLA Online Citation Examples. Let's say you find a web page. Going by the examples at the top of the handout, first identify the author and enter the last name, comma, and then the first name and a period. Next is the title of the page, in quotation marks, with a period inside the quotes. The title of the whole website, also called the container, is in italics, followed by a comma. Things that don't apply, other contributors, version, number, are skipped. The publisher would be the organization or company responsible for making the web page available. A hint there's a publisher that's different from the website is the URL. If it's the same as the name of the site, you don't need to repeat it, so just skip the publisher entry. The publication date comes next, followed by a comma. Then the address of the page, ending with a period. Do not include http:// The citation paragraphs should have a hanging indent, where the first line is flush to the left and all the rest of the lines are indented ½ inch. First, select all the citations. Then click the corner of the paragraph section of the toolbar, and under Special, select Hanging and click OK. If a citation has a large amount of empty space because of an internet address, you can try adding a space in the address to close up the gap. Finally, the citations should be in alphabetical order. Select all the citations and click the toolbar button for sorting, then click OK.